Hello, my name is Eric Eales, and today I will be demonstrating how to do a live migration of virtual machines from one server to another. We're going to be starting today with our server here at 107. We're going to be migrating one of our VMs over to a different host at 106. Now, the first step is to make sure that these servers are connected to each other, and the easiest way to do that is through a ping test. So we just ping our servers. And since we're getting a reply, that means that they are in fact connected, which is what we want. And the next step is then to go to your destination host, which for us is going to be 106, and ensure that there's going to be a space to place the new VM once it's migrated over. So for us, we're going to be storing this on the backup drive as a demonstration. So create a new folder called migration. And from here we have to allow it to be shared to, so properties, sharing, the advanced sharing tab, share this folder, and then permissions again, so we can actually have a set user or group be able to share to it. So for us it's going to be our domain admins. Check the name to make sure it pops up, which it does. You hit OK, and then you'll make sure to allow full control for that group or individual. Hit apply, hit OK, close these windows, and now it's ready for us to put the new VM into. So from here we go back to our host machine at 107. We open up our tools, our Hyper-V manager, and from here we can select which virtual machine we're going to be copying over. For us it's going to be Ocean DNS2, and to share the VM, we need to connect to the other server in Hyper-V Manager. From that, we right-click on the Hyper-V Manager up top there. We hit Connect to Server, and for here we have to add another computer. It has to be the name of the computer. It can't be the IP address. So for us, it's going to be called Coops Server 16. Hit OK, and then it will connect to the server. You'll see a list of the other virtual machines that are on that server. So from here, we click on the Ocean DNS2, and over in the right, down here, we hit the Move button, which is down a little ways. And it begins the whole wizard process. So we choose Move type. We want to move the virtual machine, and specify the destination. From here we can browse, or from here we can just type in actually Coops Server 16, which already pops up in our history. Hit Next, and here we have the options of what we want to do with all of the items that are associated with that virtual machine. The easiest thing to do is just to move the virtual machine data to a single location so you know where all of it is, but if you wanted to split that data up, you can definitely do that as well, or you can move just the virtual machine and nothing else. So for us, we're just going to move all the data to a single location, and from here we're going to browse to the folder where we're going to keep it, which for us was in backup and then migration. We select the folder, we hit Next, and then it gives us a brief summary of what's about to happen, and we begin the process. Now, the thing is, this process may take a while, depending on your connection. Obviously, a better connection, a faster connection will move this thing a lot faster. So for right now, I'm actually just going to pause our video here so that we don't have to sit here for minutes on end waiting for this to happen. So I'll be right back once this thing is finished. Okay, so now that has completed, and as you can see, it is no longer in our 107 VM list. So if we go back from 107, over to 106, and then open the Hyper-V Manager over here, it will show up right there, and it is currently running. And the reason that you want to do a live migration is so that you can keep your services running even if you need to transfer them from one certain machine to another. That's been my demonstration of a live migration in action and how to do it. I thank you for your time.